We're here in the Galapagos Islands.
Exploring everything these incredible islands have to offer.
And the best way to see it
is on a cruise.
Before showing you day 3 and 4 of our incredible trip around the Galapagos Islands with Metropolitan Touring, we thought we'd give you a tour of our home for the week, the Santa Cruz II.
Now, Nick has already shown you around our cute cabin, but did you know our ship also has a gym at the top with great views and even 2 jacuzzis?
One of my favourite elements to the ship is the multiple places you can watch the world go by. It's also reassuring being on the sky deck as you can look down and check that the safety boats are in place.
Now, this is the library. Yeah, a library on a ship. And I didn't think I'd ever be saying this, but it's where we spent most of our time because there's a TV playing back-to-back Attenborough documentaries. Oh, David.
You have a games room, the bar and seminar room, plus an outside bar where we spent most nights chatting to our new shipmates. Here's Amy chatting up the staff in the dining room, and as you'll see in a minute, we got to meet the captain on the bridge.
On day 3, we visited Santa Fe and South Plaza Islands. We took a dip in the crystal clear waters to see what underwater life we could find before heading to eat some more incredible food.
Le enseño una nueva palabra. Buen provecho.
En español. Muy bueno no es español.
Gracias. Él es mi cabrito.
Gracias, Carlos. So, Amy, where are we going now?
We're going to see and meet the captain, which I didn't think would be possible. This isn't special treatment that we're getting here. Anyone can come up and I think he can just show you around. Hello!
Hello, nice to meet you.
I was waiting for you. Thank you for meeting us. Okay, you're welcome.
Ooh, this looks cool.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hola, soy Amy.
Hola.
Hola. Gracias. Can you show us kind of what some of the buttons do?
Yes, please.
This is what we call the bridge. We call this the bridge because you are able to go from one side to another. On the center of the ship, you have always the steering wheel. Very nice.
Yeah, I would say that looks like the main steer.
That looks more traditional.
No.
Yeah.
It's more traditional, but this is power steering. This is muscle steering.
Okay.
My name is Christian Kubil. I am the captain.
To hear our full interview with the captain about navigating ships around the Galapagos Islands, be sure to listen to our full podcast episode on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing.
On the corner, there is North Plazas, and we're going to be visiting this afternoon South Plazas. North Plazas, no land iguanas, South Plazas, Galapagos land iguanas. That are the yellow ones with orange colors.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't.
For marine iguana, it's by observing the shape of the snout. This is not square, this is more pointed. Square marine iguana, more pointed. More pointed, it is a land iguana. Land iguanas are omnivorous. Marine iguanas, we can say that they are feeding on seaweed, plankton, but that would be a restricted diet. And also shape of the tail. This might be the hybrid because he has a land iguana shape of the lower maxillar but a flat tail. Flat tail means that it's a marine. So maybe this is the hybrid that I saw a year ago.
Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I want to do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool.
Some of the sea lions here are absolutely massive.
That is a big boy. A cactus like this takes 100 years to grow. So you can see over there, there's like little cages where they planted new cactus, because of course they're hoping they'll grow one day. But like I said, the process will take about 100 years. It takes 50 years for the cactus to start producing fruit, which the iguanas here eat.
Did you see the teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got some sharp canine teeth there.
Don't want a mess. And that we're surrounded.
The Galapagos sea lion is distributed throughout the archipelago, but most densely in the central islands. They're excellent divers and can descend up to 580 metres, that's 1900 feet, but mostly they search for food in the top 100 metres below the waterline.
While on Santa Fe Island, we spotted this baby sea lion pup who we think had recently been attacked by a shark in the water. As you can see on his side, it has a major gash. Our naturalist guide Viviana said although it looks painful, the bite had only gone through the fatty flesh and therefore wouldn't be too detrimental to the sea lion pup. He's more concerned about finding his mum because he's so hungry.
But you see that it's not mom, it's like saying, okay, leave me alone, I have your mom. But he's hungry.
For the rest of our afternoon on South Plaza Island, we learned about lizards, sea lions and frigate birds, while swallow-tailed gulls and shearwaters glide above our heads. Later that evening, it was a barbecue and gin night on the ship, before having a seminar with Carlos about Charles Darwin. Good morning, it's day 3, day 4.
I've lost track. This is all a dream, to be honest, but busy day today.
Yeah, so we are going to be visiting the Darwin station, which is something that I personally have been really looking forward to. And what else are we doing?
More tortoises, giant tortoises. We're going to be doing some mountain biking,
Yeah.
as well as
Some kayaking later. We're going to a really nice beach apparently, so yeah. Busy, active day, and then tonight we're going to be seeing some local dancers who are coming on the ship. They're going to give us a bit of a performance. So
I think we're also going to meet a local man that makes his own alcohol, like a moonshine place. There's a lot
and a
happening.
coffee farm.
And a coffee farm.
Oh my
God.
goodness, we need to get going. Let's go.
Lost the group. The Charles Darwin Foundation for the Galapagos Islands is an international non-profit organisation dedicated to scientific research. Here at the research station, you can see a range of animals that wouldn't be able to survive if it wasn't for them. It's essential to providing scientific knowledge and technical advice to the government of Ecuador to ensure the conservation of the Galapagos Islands. It's okay. Amy, it's only for children. What are you playing at?
Really good. Since we've been in the Galapagos, something crazy has happened and we've had a really nice milestone. So we wanted to say thanks to you guys because on the podcast
We have hit over 100,000 downloads.
Yay!
So yeah, thank you for everyone that's listening. Of course, you guys watch this video, you know that the main thing we do, podcast, and you know this thing that we're creating with you guys, we're all in it together, is growing. You know, it's becoming something. Over 100,000 downloads, so it's amazing. So thank you everyone that has listened.
We have over 60 episodes that are solely based on a country each episode. So if you're thinking of going to a new country or you want to reminisce about one that you've been to before, then go check out the travel podcast because you can hear and learn about different countries. Oh, this is Lonesome George. Now you might have seen him if you watch Attenborough, because he was right next to him, and about a week after filming with him, he sadly passed away, and he was the last of his kind of these types of tortoises. So very sad to see Lonesome George go. Just before learning how to grow and make coffee, chocolate and moonshine, we went on a bike ride. Nick really enjoyed it. And me? Well, look at my face.
We have a little problem right now because he have a broken skin like this, but he don't want the skin, he wants the seeds of the coffee, and that is the next process. Oh. This is the way how they clean the seeds. A bit of fire, of course with the sugar cane, with the dry sugar cane, coffee beans, coffee seeds, and there he goes. Here they have a big quantity of sugar cane used in the process of fermentation. How they produce the fermentation? They have 20 liters in the bottom where they never move. Those 20 liters create like a type of mat of sugar cane. But what he's gonna do right now? He's gonna check how strong is that liquor. El beso de suegra le digo que le va a enseñar. Take a drink first. Mother-in-law cheers.
Dos y tres.
Eso. 60. Okay, next. Switch.
No había nada.
Get a picture. Somebody else want to try?
See?
See? Anyone else wants to try the pure one?
What does it smell like?
It smells like hell. That goes deep. That's just that smell. That's right.
Somebody else? Anybody else?
You don't like it?
That's the strongest thing I've ever seen.
You've had absinthe. What do you think, guys?
Everybody,
I'm not a spiritual,
we have to keep walking because we have to go for lunch.
My insides are on fire.
Hello, Gabriel. You ready?
Oh my god, my head.
We're gonna be here.
After this, we enjoyed a much-deserved lunch on the island. Unfortunately, we can't show you what that looked like as we were too busy eating it. After that, we saw some more humongous tortoises.
So some of the other parks we went to, the tortoises were quite scared of us because years and years ago when people first came to the Galapagos, they hunted these and actually ate them. So these are only a few generations down, so they still have that fear inside them of us. But since we came to this park, they're not scared of us. They're kind of walking close to us, coming close to my ankles, I have to kind of run away. As we said earlier, today has been full on, but we're quite excited because we're about to go to the beach. We're going to do some kayaking, but only a little bit because we just want to relax on a nice beach with nice crystal clear waters.
Yeah, it's the right weather for it. It's been hot today. Like, biking was a bad choice.
Yeah, at some point I think it reached 41 degrees, so yeah, I reckon tonight we're going to have a few tan lines.
I'm already burnt. I don't need the beach, to be honest.
We absolutely loved seeing the local Ecuadorian entertainment, the music, the dances, and then they encouraged us to get up.
Next time on What the Foe in the Galapagos. Get ready to see our favourite days of the cruise. We head to Española and North Seymour Island, plus Eden Islet. We meet albatross eggs and their parents, a blowhole, plus this. We've seen something amazing.
This is what happens at dinner when there's sharks outside.
We left you all alone.